Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add gadgets or widgets to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile of course, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the new post, we have the post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme settings, and reading list. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add gadgets or widgets to Blogger. So go to www.blogger, as I told you, .com, and select the blog where you want to add the gadgets. So we're here, you need to go and click on new post to actually and create a new post or blog. Then click on the Layout tab in the left sidebar and click Add Gadget. So then when you go and add a gadget, then you can choose from the list of pre-installed gadgets or click on Add Your Own. Enter a title and description for the gadget and adjust its settings. Click Save to add the gadget to your blog. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.